He won his case, even though the police report said it was all his fault. Hi, I'm Colin I'm a trial attorney at Kalfus Nachman. I handle personal injury cases all across Virginia and North Carolina. Today I want to talk to you about how we won that case. Our client was on a country road traveling to work one day when he saw up in the distance an image he couldn't quite make out. As he got closer, he saw that it was a tractor trailer, stopped in the left lane, no lights on. Our client quickly looked to the right, saw there was a vehicle to his right, realized he couldn't get over. He immediately slammed on the brakes, came to a screeching halt just a few feet behind that tractor trailer. As he sat there thinking about the tragedy that he had just avoided, he was, bam, hit from behind by a pickup truck. He was pushed forward, his head hit the steering wheel, he sustained head injuries and a permanent scar. That's what my client said happened. But when we pulled the police report had a completely different story. It said that that tractor trailer was stopped in the left lane, but it said that my client ran into the back of the tractor trailer at 55 miles per hour, and then the pickup truck hit the back of my client. Rather than just accept the police report, I decided to litigate the case and take sworn, under oath depositions of all the witnesses to figure out what actually happened. And after we took those depositions, we learned from the tractor trailer driver that he only felt one impact from behind, not two. And we actually learned from that pickup driver that ran into the back of my client that he actually believed that my client came to a complete stop before the impact. As a result of this investigation and litigation, we were able to get a significant settlement from the insurance company for both the tractor trailer and the pickup driver. So why am I telling you this? Because the police report is not always right. And you need an experienced personal injury attorney who's going to dig and find the truth. So give me a call, Colin at Kalfus Nachman at 888-487-8546, and I thank you for watching.